Today we're going to look at finding x and y intercepts with linear equations. So an intercept is where our line crosses either the x-axis or the y-axis. Our y-intercept happens on the y-axis. And we say that the y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4 in this case, but we could rewrite that as a coordinate. Coordinate for the y-intercept is going to be left and right 0, up 4, 0, comma 4. So that's x and y that we're talking about. The x-intercept is down here on the x-axis, and in this case we cross at 1, 2. Our x-intercept is 2. We can rewrite that as a coordinate. In this case it'll be 2, comma 0. Go left and right 0, or left and right twice, up and down 0. And again, that's x and y. So why writing this in two ways? It's important because, I mean, sometimes you just might want to say, I hit it, find the x-axis, find 2 on it, boom, done. But the coordinates are important because we have zeros. Whenever you have an intercept, you're always going to have 0. X-intercept will always be number, where the x is, and then always comma 0. The y-intercept will always be 0, comma, a number. So the zeros are important. That's important because when we come to the equation, sometimes we're not given a graph, but when we have an equation, we can still find the intercepts. Now, there's a reason why I wrote this same problem twice, because we're going to find two things. Because zeros are the numbers that are important, I'm going to substitute zeros into my problem. First time, I'm going to substitute 0 in place of y. So 2x plus 5 times 0 equals 10. That cancels out, 5 times 0. And you're left with 2x equals 10, divide. What we just found was the x-intercept. X-intercept equals 5. That's just down there. To find the y-intercept, instead of putting the 0 with the y, we're going to put the 0 with the x. They cancel, divide. Our y-intercept is 2 in this case. Now, that's what the problem that looks like it's in standard form. What about if it was something in slope-intercept form or another kind of equation? It doesn't matter as long as you plug a 0 in for y, I'll plug a 0 in for x and something else. So again, let's start with, we'll plug a 0. Let's plug a 0 in for x. That's gone. Your y-intercept is -6. Don't forget the negative. So you plug the 0 there. That was nice and easy. What about if we put the 0 on the outside for the y? Well, now there's just a little bit of work that we have to do. Get the x alone, add 6, and then divide. Our x-intercept in this case will be 2. So finding x and y intercepts, plug zeros into the equation, and you'll find the other variable, and that's finding intercepts.